CCJ stands for County Court Judgement, and this is what you use against somebody that owes you a debt to enforce it and collect some money back where you can. If an individual owes you less than £5,000, then you're not able to bankrupt them or threaten to bankrupt them because the debt is below the threshold. And if a limited company owes you less than £750, you're not able to liquidate them or threaten to wind them up. So what you can do is go to court and get a judge to make a settlement, a judgment, i.e. CCJ, and determine whether or not the debt's valid and how much that the debtor owes you. For a relatively small fee, you can do these proceedings, start these proceedings online by filing what's called an N1 form. The judge will then determine whether or not a formal hearing is required, and if so, set a date, or they may just make a judgment without a hearing becoming necessary. Assuming the judgment is then made in your favour, you've then got the ability to pursue the debt. You can instruct CEOs, court enforcement officers, which we used to know, or we still all know as bailiffs. And they can then go in to the debtor's place of residence or home or registered business address in order to recover goods to the value of the debt, plus now the costs that you've incurred and any interest. Once you have a CCJ against somebody, that's going to stay on their credit record for 6 years unless they pay the debt off within 28 days. Assuming you've managed to be successful in getting your judgment awarded by the court, then a CCJ can be a really good way to get some money back, assuming the debtor's got any assets to pay you, of course. And so that's a CCJ in a nutshell, really.